Hey everyone, it's me, and today is Thursday, and I am just going to make a little clip to go on to a video that I did yesterday. I did a get ready with me, and to demonstrate the new mascara, Lash Idole, which is fabulous. You guys have seen me use this already. I did the typical Lancome, no wing liner, no lashes look. So today I used all of the same products that I show you, plus a lot of things that they did not send me, and I just wanted to show you a different look. So today I used this same palette, but on my eyes I just used that bronzer, and I think it's so pretty. And I used a different liner. Today I went with my more typical look, but I wanted to show you this mascara again because yesterday I did, you know, the separating every lash, because this really does grab, like, I think it's just the curve of the brush and the bristles. It's my favorite type of brush. So I really fanned them out. But today I wanted to show you my more typical look where I kind of grouped them together. I just wanted to make sure you knew you could do both. Lancome has different specials on their website every week. I did not know that. I think we're also used to going to other websites that we forget about the true Lancome website. So they do different specials every week. There are lots of long wear products on their page. Yesterday I used the Lancome Tint Idole, and the color, I had gotten a sample and the color I used was a little bit too light, but that is a really good foundation and it does last all day long. Then I wanted to mention these two products really quick again. I don't think I have to hardly say anything about this, but I wanted to just say this is a great product too to take off those long wearing lipsticks. Sometimes we have a hard time getting those off. This will take off anything. Your long wearing lip liners, lipsticks, all of that good stuff. And then this is the Renergie Multi-Action Ultra with sunscreen. I think I went through this very well, but I think you guys would like this too. They have skincare for all ages. It's not just anti-aging. Things like this, you know, no matter what age you are, you would enjoy this, and it would be good for your sunscreen and underneath your makeup. So I wanted to just make a little bit of an intro, and then I will head into the video, and then I think I will probably speed up the tutorial a little bit because I just went on and on and on, and you guys know how I am. When I really like something, I kind of get so into it, so forgive me for that, and thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Hey everyone, it's Lisa, and today is Wednesday. Happy hump day, and we have yet another cloudy day, but I'm not going to let that stop me because I want to show you a few products that I have been sent from Lancome. I always say Lancome, but I'm sure it's supposed to be Lancome. They are known for their French look and their French beauty with a happy heart. They want women to feel beautiful and happy, and I told them that is great because that's how I feel. I feel like when you put your makeup on, it should make you feel good, and then when you feel good, then you go out in the world and you're just a happier person. I know I am. But you guys know I have loved Lancome for so long. I believe that was my very first high-end makeup. My grandmother and I were walking through the department store, and she bought me my first, it was a chubby eyeliner crayon, and it was blue, and if I can remember correctly, it had two different sides to it, and I have just loved Lancome for so long. And one of the products they asked me to feature is their Bifacil eye makeup remover. Well, I have used this is mine that I already had here. I have used this since I was probably 22 or 3. When I first got into the nicer makeup, this is one of the products that I started with, and Lancome mascaras. And it is great for taking off your makeup. It will take your lashes, like if you're wearing false lashes like I do. I just lay the gauze pad on top and it just takes it right away. And I also use this in the mornings a lot of times, especially if I wash my face and then I take a shower, a lot of times when I take a shower, you know how it'll get the darkness under your eyes, I will use this in the morning. Okay, the next product that they sent me, this is something that I have loved using. I had all of these for about 2 weeks now, and I've been using them all and some other stuff that I'm going to show you. And I am going to do my get ready with me. I did this makeup and I filmed it, and I'm going to put that after I tell you about all this stuff. This is the Renergie Lift Multi-Action Ultra. Well, when I first got this, I have a friend at the Lancome counter, and so I just had a good old discussion with her about all of the things that I wanted to talk to you about. And she said this is such a good summertime and a lightweight moisturizer. It's firming and it works on dark spots. She said that they created this for the people that love Renergie or the Renergie Lift, but a lot of times that may be a little too heavy in the daytime and places like where I live where it is sunny. I live at the beach and it's humid. Plus this has the SPF 30. Now I've been using this every day and I have loved it. I have worn it under my makeup. So if you have liked my makeup in the past 2 weeks, I've been wearing this, and it usually just takes me one pump. And what I like about it is, one, I put it all over my face. It does not leave a white cast. You do not have to just keep on and keep on and keep on. And I've loved it for my neck because I need to watch that in the car and even in the summer. And I always rub the excess on my hands anyway because I don't put makeup there. And so it's good to have this on my neck and underneath my makeup. So it just rubs in really nice. It leaves a good glow. It's not overly perfumed. It does smell good. It makes you feel pretty. Just think a lot of you would like this for a lightweight moisturizer that can go under your makeup and has SPF. So loving this. And then another makeup product that I purchased when I was there is the #1 selling toner across all makeup brands. And this is the Tonique Comfort. It's the rehydrating, comforting toner with acai and honey. You can see I've been using it every day, every morning and every night. And it's one of those, you know, I've always said I had normal to oily skin. Well, right now it's just pretty much normal. It's not really dry, but it's not really oily. So I wanted to try this. I meant to bring a gauze pad up here, but I just want to show you the consistency. It's a little bit thicker than what I'm used to, but it feels so good and I love it. Like right after I've cleansed or right after I've gotten out of the shower, I feel like toners are supposed to do. It brings your skin back to the right pH balance and it helps it prepare for the next products that you're putting on it, your serums and your moisturizers. Then they can absorb the way they're supposed to. So I have really enjoyed this. It's made me think that my skin is probably not really oily. It is probably pretty much normal. So that's something that they did not send to me. I purchased, but I just wanted to try it. Because I really love Lancome, I kind of took the ball and ran with it. Another thing I purchased is this. So this is there, you know, at Christmas time they always have all of these good deals. So with a $72 purchase, I got $555 worth of skincare and makeup. And this is like no joke. I got so much stuff in here. I got this really cool, I've had this in my bathroom. I've just kind of been working out of it so that I could show you guys. You could pick between pink and gray things you get in here. So everything on my face except for I used a different liner. Okay, let's just say this. I used all of this. This is the lipstick. I used a different mascara that I'm going to tell you about. This morning I used the Light Eye Pearl. Of course I used the Bifacil. And I've been using the Genifique. Now, I am not a big serum person, not because I don't believe in it, just because I've never, I don't know, one's never come along that I felt like trying. My friend at the Lancome counter said if she could have 2 things for the rest of her life, it would be the eye cream, the Genifique eye cream. Is this that came in the, yes, which came in the kit, and the Genifique serum. And she was telling me how she sent her daughter, who was much younger, the serum, and she said like 7 days later her daughter said, whatever was in that bottle, send me some more. And it gets great reviews. I have loved it. So here that is, and this comes in that little kit. I've been using this every day, every morning and every night. And then I've been using this at night for my under eyes, this during the day, and I believe this is supposed to be good too. It's eye and lash concentrate. And when I asked her about that, she said what she does is kind of smooths it around her eyes and then she just rubs it across her lashes. This is the new Idole Lash Idole, and this is their new lightweight mascara that lengthens, thickens, and curls. And because it's made of a lightweight formula, you know, sometimes you'll think that your lashes are going up, and then this happens to me all the time. I'll put my mascara on and I'll think that's good enough, I don't need to wear false lashes, and then by the end of the day I can't see my lashes. That is because the mascara that I was using was so heavy and gummy that it drug my lashes down. This is a lightweight formula. It like separates every lash. It is the kind of brush that I love. It's curved so it fits your eye perfectly, and it gets every lash and it kind of fans them out. And a lot of times I like mine a little on the clumpy side, but today I left them all out so you could see how good it is. It does not smudge, it doesn't smear. You know what? I forgot to do my lower lashes, so let's do those right now. Here, where's my mirror? I forgot all about that because I'm just not used to doing mascara on my lower, but today, since I'm barely wearing any liner, I will. But I love the way it's curved, like right to your eye. I'm just going to put a little bit on. After I got the skincare and I thought about, you know, doing this video, and I was trying it, thinking about the things I wanted to tell you, I was thinking about the dual finish, how much I used to love this, and I have bought this several times here with you guys. So I purchased the dual finish powder, which it's like a multi-purpose powder. It does have color and coverage, but it's not crazy. So you'll see me in the video using this to set my makeup. You know how I feel about the Absolute powder. I have every color.
Watch me under the light, so keep me in your sight, 'cause I can do this all night. You can call it what you want, I got something else in mind. Oh, if it's you I've been waiting for, I better make you worth my time. So don't you pay them any mind, close your eyes, follow the sound. Keep it coming through the night. So keep me